There's no doubt about that. We are in some of the harshest market conditions, trading conditions that we have seen in the crypto markets for a very, very long time. The question comes now, have we turned into a bear market, or is actually the bottoms in and we might see a turn from here upwards? Let's find out together. So first and foremost, 1-2 weeks ago, we had a lot of bearish news for the crypto and the financial markets, and market reacted instantly on it and capitulated. People panicked, sold, and market went down. As we know, altcoins took a major hit, between 40 to 50, 60, 70%. Some of them are 80, 90% down. That's bear market numbers. But now suddenly the same type of negative news comes out, but market barely reacts to it. And I want to remind you that before we saw this major sell-off in crypto, we had a lot of positive news that barely moved the market upwards. It was the same thing, but the opposite. Now we have negative news, but market is not moving down. The fear and greed index is at fear, and we have not seen these numbers since October last year, just before the Trump pump. And we have definitely not seen these kind of numbers with Bitcoin hovering just below 100K. It shows a lot of strength for Bitcoin and a lot of support. The demand is there. And also these liquidation events that we have seen in crypto have been, of course, successful for exchanges and market makers, because now we see most liquidity on the buy side. So there's a lot of liquidity above trying to sell BTC when it comes out up to about 100 to 107K. But the liquidity that is below BTC and other coins is wiped out now. And we see that in the funding rates as well. So most funding rates are reset at zero, and some of them are even at negative right now. And speaking of demand, we can see also that the demand is just growing exponentially for BTC. And there's more and more states, countries that want to adopt BTC, and more companies want to adopt the MicroStrategy strategy of having a BTC reserve, basically. Most crypto, especially the boomer tokens, have reached their key level, have reached important key levels, and have washed out liquidity just below. So on the sell side, which is very bullish and means that we have a clear path up now. So you tell me now, and let me know in the comments below, is the bottoms in? I personally believe so, but of course I might be wrong. Let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.